going to look at consonant X, which has three separate sounds. The first is like the KS in the word talks. The second word is, or the second type, the second is pronounced like the English letter H and is reserved for certain proper nouns and words that are derived from Mexico. Okay. The third is pronounced like the English CH, and it too is reserved for certain proper sounds like Xela. Alright, I'm not attempting to pronounce it now, but you get, yeah, you can see those words. So basically, you have three sounds: KS, H, and CH. So let's look at some examples.
Listen and repeat the most common X sound.
Examen.
So this is like the KS in talks, in the word talks, right? Examine, talks, examine.
Exacto.
Exacto,
Exacto.
exacto.
Sexto.
Sexto,
exótico,
exótico,
éxito,
éxito,
experto,
experto.
Listen and repeat.
Examen.
Examen,
Exacto.
exacto,
Sexto.
sexto,
Exótico.
exótico,
Éxito.
éxito,
Experto.
experto.
Listen and repeat.
examen,
Examen,
exacto,
exacto,
sexto,
sexto,
exótico,
exótico,
éxito,
éxito,
experto.
experto. This is the last one. So it looks like we only dealt with the common X pronunciation, which is KS in the word talks. Alright, so in the next video we're looking at consonant Y. So until then, see you next time.